Hi everyone, good morning. Good morning Sunan, good morning Harsh, good morning Amar, Hemant, hi. Good morning everyone. Can anyone confirm if my voice is clear? Can you please confirm on the group if my voice is clear, everyone? Kamal, Shashank, Ramji. So thank you guys. All the formalities are done. Now it is time to take time to share the screen of Nifty. So just give me a second, guys. Just hold on, please. All right. I hope my screen is visible, everyone. Just hold on. All right. So I hope my screen is visible, right? So guys, quickly अब लोग शुरू करते हैं with this Nifty trade or Nifty trade में what we were kept on saying that this is going to be important resistance, not just because on the one line basis, क्योंकि ये जो resistance levels हैं ये एक zone है यहाँ पे, and which zone is around, जो मैं आपको कई बार बता चुका हूँ, from 17,350 to 17,500, overall 17,600, but 17,350 is going to be important resistance for Nifty as of now. Right now we are trading, अगर आप ये list देखेंगे, then right now we are trading 17,270. High it has made today is 285. So clearly we are almost near about the resistance point where 100 points upside or downside doesn't matter at all. The point is, few days back we got this gap here, gap up opening, because on 27th of December the opening high was 17,112, and on 28th, that means yesterday, the opening was like 7,177. So there's a 50 points gap up opening. So what we can clearly say that it is going to fill that gap tomorrow or today. But point is that at what level? So it is going to be 17,350 or 17,390. So this is where we understand that market is going to take one dip. And if it will keep on going, and if it will breach, because if it will convert, we will convert this into 1 hour chart, then we can clearly say that right now it is in bullish structure on 1 hour chart. So bullish structure means key till the time it is trading above these levels of 16,928, 16,840. So this is going to be the important support. If it has to go below these levels of 15,900, 16,000 levels, then definitely it has to breach it, then definitely it has to breach 16,928, so 980 940 levels, sorry, 16,840 levels, right? So this is very clear resistance and the support point in this Nifty. And as I said, key, it is not only about one line analysis I should give you, but it is all about कि आप यहाँ पे और क्या देख रहे हैं. So clearly there is one pattern जो हमने कई बार बात करी है, and then it is AB is equal to CD pattern, which is there. So AB is equal to CD pattern shows that 15,900 and 15,900 of 16,000 levels are going to be important support level here. So we are assuming that it is going to breach these levels sooner or later. So definitely you should get ready for these levels. This is what our understanding. But if it will start sustaining above 17,000, 16,000, um, 17,600 levels, then definitely we are going to change our view. But as of now, we are bearish. We do not we do not appreciate, or we do not actually think that market should go up. So this is what we can say in Nifty. Overall, intraday players, they can actually sell on rise, and they can take the benefit of this market on this short side, right? So what is happening in Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty discuss कर लेते हैं. Bank Nifty, right now it is the range bound situation and not actually not performing as Nifty is performing. The reason is very, very simple. I told you many times, there are two things which is going on Bank Nifty. There are so many breakdowns. There are, other things which is going on in Bank Nifty. So clear cut, it is showing only one thing, that it has to make some pattern, and pattern means, because it is range bound situation, then pattern means it can either make this pattern, which is like channel formation, or it can go beyond that, but only after this channel. So this channel is beautiful channel which should be there. So if we will convert this log and linear, then you will get to know. So this is the beautiful channel which we are expecting in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty resistance is clear cut around 36,400, 36,500. 36,400, 36,500 is going to be the resistance. Once it will cross above 35,400, then of course 1,000 points on the upside rally could be expected. Why it is very important to understand that it should give 500 points rally, because if you will see ICICI Bank, if you will see SGFC Bank, all the banks are bouncing back from the very good support levels. So this is ICICI Bank which is bouncing back from the beautiful support level, and of course if it will cross these levels of 750, 760, then it is going to touch 800 levels and above. If you will see SGFC Bank, then SGFC Bank is all, last time I told you that it is around the very good support levels. So these support levels are so strong that it has bounced back from these support levels. And when we see stocks like SGFC bouncing back from the support levels, that means Bank Nifty has to perform. Now SGFC Bank, ICICI Bank, if you will see SBI, then SBI again is around the support levels. Then SBI is also bouncing back. So we can clearly say one thing, that every stock which is around the support level in Bank Nifty or Nifty, it is bouncing back. Not the SBI one, I'm really sorry, not the SBI one, but other stocks are actually bouncing back beautifully in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty chances are very high. Bank Nifty chances are very high that it should give the rally of 1,000 points on the upside once it will cross 35,400 and start sustaining. So buy on dips on Bank Nifties. If it will cross, then definitely 1,000 points. And the short seller could see the opportunity 36,300, 400 ke aaspas. Then now it is time to take all the stocks and look at the view kya market mein kya perform kar raha hai, kya nahi kar raha hai. So clearly, what is not performing is PVR, and all the metal stocks. If you will see the metal space, SAIL, Jindal Steel, National Aluminium, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, all the metal stocks are not performing. And we told you this thing very clearly, that metal stocks are in the range bound sector. It's in range bound position. So whenever it will go up, it will come down. So that is the same position we are seeing in all the metal stocks. That is not performing at all. So point is, all these range bound situation will go on, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था, for next 2 to 3 months. So do not go with the metal stocks. What is actually, what is actually performing? We can see, pharma stocks are performing very good, whether it is, Dr. Reddy's, or we'll say Divi's Labs, Cipla, Dr. Lal Path, all these pharma stocks are performing very good. So pharma stocks, it's clear cut PL moving upside. So pharma stocks are performing good. Pharma stocks के बारे में मैंने आपको पहले भी कई बार बताया कि pharma stocks is around the support levels. So but support to range bound, it is also not that much performing. So again, it is actually stocks where we can see for the short term trading. When stocks are range bound, we could actually take the short term trades, not the long term trades. So pharma stocks, we can go for the short term trading. But one stock which is there in my list and which has to be there in your list is Amara Raja Batteries. Lows are already done. We are near the completion of this downside rally. So you all should focus on Amara Raja Batteries. If you want to earn some very good safe return, then Amara Raja Battery is the one. Might we will see some range bound situation going forward, but Again, it is going to give you at least 35-40% return from the downside levels. Please consult your financial advisor to check what are the downside levels we are talking about, right? So this is all about from my side now. It is time to take your question. Kindly raise your hand and ask your question. Before we start that session, question answer session, it is my request to give you the information about our Lakshya batch, which is starting from 2nd of Jan. It is regarding professional trading. So if you are looking for the consistent return, then definitely you should join because it is a money back guarantee program, right? So kindly fill up the form. We will send the form link today in the comment box or in the group. You can fill up that form and ask your questions, and you can actually go ahead with that course. Right. So kindly raise your hand if you have any question. Then we can start. We can start taking your questions. Anyone? Any question? No question. Okay. So Mr. Sony is has raised hand. Sony, hi. Is it Sony or Tony? I think it's Sony. Good morning, Sony. Kindly unmute and ask your question, please. Sony, you have to unmute your audio.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
सर प्लीज थोड़ा एशियन टाइल के बारे में कुछ अपने व्यूज शेयर कीजिएगा थोड़ी देर बाद जब भी आप फ्री हो. एशियन टाइल, एशियन ग्रेनेटो.
Asian Granato. All right.
जी.
Done. So
जी सर.
what kind of view you want?
Sir, I invest. Sir, I have invested 4,700 share at the rate of 150.
At the rate of 150. That is what I'm asking, Sony. Do you want the view for long term or the short term?
Yeah, sir. I am. My view is long term, sir. Two or 3 years, sir.
2 or 3 years, right? And what is the minimum expectation you are having in
Sir,
this?
minimum sir, near about 250 or 300.
Near about 250 or 300. Great. Done.
Yes, sir.
So first of all, I would like to tell you that if you have bought this stock around 150 levels, then
Yes, sir.
actually these levels are very good levels to buy and hold this kind of a stock, Asian Granato. And
Yes, sir.
definitely I will share the charts, I will share the targets, whatever I will feel, I will look at the chart, with clear mind, with sound mind, and then I will let you know for sure.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right, but it is a very good level where you have bought, and I think stock should perform from here.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, please share your view on chart, sir.
Yeah, definitely. I will share the chart and I will tag you there in the group so
Okay,
that
sir.
you can check that chart. Thank you,
Okay,
Sony.
sir. Thank you, sir.
All right, so Anupama is the next. Anupama, yeah, kindly unmute. Good morning. Please ask your question. Anupama, is there any question from your side? I cannot hear if you're saying anything. All right, I think she is not interested. Or anyone else would like to ask the question? Kindly raise your hand. We will take another 2 questions and then we'll wind up. No questions? All right, then. Thanks a lot for joining. We'll see you tomorrow, same time. Okay, Harpreet wants to ask something. Yeah, Harpreet, now you're allowed to speak. Kindly unmute and ask your question. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Rahul.
Good morning,
how are
sir.
you?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good, Jay. Can you please give your view on LIC Housing Finance?
LIC Housing Finance, actually, I'm tracking this stock very closely. So LIC Housing Finance, it's a clear-cut range-bound trade, and a lot of traders had a lot of expectation from this stock. Point is that it is not ready to perform. I actually told that it actually has to, go down one, before it start performing. But point is that you have to have patience to buy this stock. If I will tell you that this stock actually should come down till 280, 290 levels, and you might feel that what not possible in this LIC Housing Finance. But point is that if we check the technicals, Harpreet, very closely, then we can clearly say that this stock is actually in the situation where where it is where it has proper resistance on the support area. So what I would suggest, if you want to invest in LIC Housing Finance, just take my words. If you want to invest, not trade, if you want to invest in LIC Housing Finance, then of course 280 to 70 could be the good support areas. And if you want to trade these stocks, then I would prefer that you should keep, sell on rise positions, sell on rise thing. As of now, sell on rise for the medium term. But if you are a day trader or a very short term trader, then definitely you could buy for the short run of 20, 30 points on the upside, or even 40 points on the upside. But sell on rise would be the greatest strategy going forward. Buy on dips would be the greatest strategy if you're an investor. So 280, 290 could be the 280 to 70 could be the good support area to buy for the investment. This is what I can tell you.
Actually, I am holding the future. I have purchased on 369. Do you think I should hold or I should quit right now?
That is what I'm saying. See, you are actually playing against the trend, but short-term trend is positive. Short-term trend is looking okay. So if you have bought this future around 369, 370, so what I would suggest that you should keep the strict stop loss of around 350, 351, 2-3 rupees here and there. But I think whenever you buy futures, you should only look one thing, that is RSI on the support, and then only you should go and buy futures in any stock, right? So in the short run, what I'm telling. But if you have bought, then risk to reward for the very short term is okay. 350 and the downside could be the stop loss. With that a stop loss, you can hold and enjoy if you get the profit.
Thank you very much.
Thank you everyone for joining. See you tomorrow around the same time. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.